Guys, few weeks back I have posted a video on my Instagram account. If you have not checked that, do visit my Instagram account, that is at girish.cario, where two of my friends will be playing with filters. So if you have not watched that video, I will put it for you. Do watch and come back. Oh, you have started rolling the cam. I didn't see that. So I don't like this effect. Shall we change that? Okay. This one is kind of fine. Okay, not good. Oh god. This looks cool. So now let's get into the video. So this video is for you to know how to make these kind of filter effects for your Instagram stories. Yes, now I'll tell you how to make that. So we can do this in two ways. One is the easy way, which you have to do that with your mobile, and the other one is a bit tough, where you need to have the help of Premiere Electric Cookware and Appliances. Why the Premiere Pro for achieving a professional look. So now let's get started. First, let's know the first easy technique. So this video you can shoot a maximum of only 15 seconds because Instagram stories are limited to only 15 seconds. So you can get only a 15-second video when you shoot with this easy method. So you just need to have a camera in your smartphone or something. Keep your camera steady towards you and shoot a video like you are moving something before that. So start moving from outside the frame and end outside the frame, so that it looks like you are moving something before you, like you are moving a curtain or something like that. Just do an action like that. So let's shoot a video like that now. So I have my MI selfie stick that would help me. To shoot this video. I don't know where I will keep this. So I hope the video is already running. So yes, the video is running. So like this, you just need to shoot a video like you're in the screen, and you just move your hand from outside the frame of one end to the other end. So just move your hand like this. Hi. Yes. So yes, I have shot this video. So this video lost around 1.15 seconds. So I'm gonna trim this video to just 15 seconds. So I have made a 15 seconds video. I have trimmed a 15 seconds video from the video we just shot now. So now I'm going to edit this and make it look in such a way that we are actually moving filters for a video. So I'm opening the video in Instagram now, and what you need to do is just insert the video into your story. So before that, make sure you start your screen recorder so that you can record whatever happens in the screen. So I have switched on my screen recorder already, so whatever I do will be recorded. So I am inserting the video into my Instagram story. So I get the video played like this in Instagram. So what I need to do is just keep my fingers ready and move the filters in a way I move it. See, do you get that? So you just move the way how I move the filters, and this is screen recorded, so you get a video like you are actually moving the filters. So now you just import the screen recorded video into your Instagram story. So as it is a screen record, you will also have the icons at the top and bottom, so zoom it a little bit so that the icons are hidden. And once it's done, you can see the video like you are actually moving the filters of Instagram. So just click on the download button at the top and it will be downloaded. So video will be saved in your gallery. You can just go and check the gallery and the video will be available. Just play it and you will get a result like this. This is the easy way you can make a filter change in your video with the help of Instagram. As Instagram stories are limited to 15 seconds, you can shoot only 15 seconds video in this method. So the video is ready now, which is easily done. And that's an easy way to make filter moments in your Instagram stories. But if you want to make these professional kind of filter moments in your video, then you have to believe in Premiere Pro and shoot your videos. So the same way you have to shoot your videos, like you are moving the filters or you are playing with it or something like that, you have to shoot the video acting like you are moving something before you, and then import the video into Premiere Pro, and I will show you how to deal with this. So let's take this video which I am shooting now. I'm going to make filters to flow between this and let you know how to do this kind of moving filters. So you want to know how I did that? Come, let's get into Premiere Pro. I will teach you to know that. Yes, now I have imported the video for which we are going to make filters. So as I move my hand from top to bottom, the filters should change. So that is the main idea here. So for that we are going to create a new adjustment layer. So I'm creating an adjustment layer and I'm just importing it over my first video, and I'm going to add a preset filter to the adjustment layer so that it looks like the video is having a filter over it. So normally when you play it, it looks like the whole video has filter till the adjustment layer comes to an end, but now we are going to make it like the filter should come from top to the bottom. So I am selecting a keyframe for the position. I am changing the position like the filter is totally out of the frame. So when I play it, it looks like the filter moves from top to bottom, as you could see that. Now for the next change of filter, we have to add two adjustment layers such that the previous filter goes out from the frame and the new filter enters the frame. So for that we need two adjustment layers. In one adjustment layer we are adding the same filter which we have given to the previous frame, and to the other adjustment layer we will add a new filter. So in the same way we are going to add two key points positions, and we are going to make it look like the previous filter is going out away from the frame and the current filter enters the frame. So after pausing at the frame where my hand is totally up, I have selected a keyframe, and again while moving it, when my hand comes to an end, I am selecting the next keyframe and I am changing the position such that the filter moves away from the frame when my hand is totally down. So we are going to do the same way to the another adjustment layer, and we are going to add the new filter and make it look like the filter moves from outside the frame and enters into the frame. So I am setting a keyframe by selecting position at the place where my hand is totally out of the frame, and I move my slider towards the left and adjust it such that the filter is totally out of the frame. So when I play it now, it looks like the previous filter moves away from the frame and the new filter enters the frame. So that's how this effect is made. By doing this again and again for all the hand movements, we can bring beautiful videos like we are playing with filters. So that's how this effect is achieved. Okay. This one is kind of fine. Okay, not good. Oh god. This looks cool. So now I hope you got an idea to make these kind of filters in your videos, and if yes, do give a thumbs up and that would support me a lot. And if you're a new viewer, do subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon, and you will get regular notifications and I'll make sure that you don't regret. So bye, have a nice day, we'll meet you in another video. Until then, it's your Cario signing off. Hey, do you like Spider-Man? I'm a big fan of him. Will Marvel bring back him? Spider-Man will be back to Marvel. Will he lead Avengers? What do you think? Do comment below. Will we see Spider-Man in the next upcoming Avengers films? What do you think? Do comment below. Good night. Bye. Spider-Man, Spider-Man, into space. Spider-Man, Spider-Man.